So, what is FAR? There is a question on this, so we are going to talk about FAR. So, keep watching. Basically, two terms. One is FSI and FAR. Both are the same. FAR is floor area ratio, and FSI is floor space index. So, what is the definition of FSI or FAR? It's very simple. Total built up area divided by plot area. Total built up area divided plot area gives you FSI. Is who decides the FSI? So the local town planning authority decides the FSI. And how to interpret FSI we are going to see in the next video. Keep watching. Suppose there is a plot of 40 feet by 60 feet. So what is the plot area? 40 into 60, 2400 square feet, right? Suppose in that locality the FSI given is 1 unit. So how do we find out the total built up area, the permissible built up area for that location? It is very simple. Plot area multiplied by the FSI. So plot area is 2400. You multiply it by 1. So that gives you 2400 square feet. Okay. Now suppose there is a plot of 40 by 60. How do we decide that how much area will be on the ground floor, how much will be on the first floor, how much on the second floor, right? So for that, first point we have to see how much is ground coverage permissible on that plot. And suppose the ground coverage, I have explained ground coverage in another video. I am giving the link here. So suppose the ground coverage given is 50%, which means the maximum plinth area allowed on this plot will be 2400 multiplied by 0.5 is 1200. That means on the ground floor you can have 1200 square feet. Okay. Total built up area allowed is 2400 square feet. Out of that, on the ground floor you are having 1200 square feet. So what is remaining is 1200 square feet. So that you can build on the first floor. Either you can build 600 square feet on the first floor and 600 square feet on the second floor, or you can have 1200 square feet on the first floor. So totally you can build 2400 square feet on that plot if the FSI permissible is 1. Is it clear? Okay, thank you so much. Hope you get the concept now. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope your query got clarified now. So keep watching and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.